Hi friends, good evening. This is Manish Khandelwal. I am a mechanical engineer and the details of my experience are mentioned at the bottom of this slide. The name of this channel is Factory Forward TV. I started posting presentations on travel also on this channel in addition to technical subjects. I am running one more channel as mentioned here by the name Brainy Builders. I am posting presentations related to mathematics and science subjects for the kids studying from class 6 to class 9 on this channel. Today's topic is traceability, that means ability to trace. Many persons think that traceability is related to food industry or auto industry or aviation industries only. However, my sincere thinking is that traceability is important for all the manufacturing sectors. Let's see how. To begin, let us understand a conventional method of receiving the material and providing a traceability number by a store. First, the material in a vehicle, it reaches at the company's security gate. The security personnel normally gives a good receipt note number, that is GRN number, to all the trucks coming in with material. So which means all the material, whether same or different in a truck, shall be having one GRN number only. The truck then reaches to the stores for unloading. The stores unload the truck and record all the details of the material, normally in a computer. The details recorded can be the invoice number, supplier's name, the description of the items, PO number under which this material has come, the quantity, the date of receipt. These days, most of the customers have requested the suppliers to put barcode or QR code, so that once the material reaches to the stores, the store person scan QR code or barcode and all these information automatically are fed into the computer. Once this is done, then a traceability number is provided by store. This is just an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for example. So in this example, for example, 600 pieces have come for a material ABC from supplier XYZ. So these are the 6 boxes. So each box is having 100 pieces. So once the material is received, then store will put in an area which is under QC inspection area. From here, the material cannot be issued. Now what will happen? The QC person will come, quality control person will come and pick up the few samples as per the sample plan and take it to the quality control department, where they will check or inspect the material, record all the parameters in their record book, and then if okay, they will put the QC OK stamp. After this, the material is shifted to the position from where the store can issue the material. So let me just repeat it. The material is coming inside the factory. Security person is giving the GRN number, good receipt note number. It reaches to the stores where the store unloads the material, record different parameters like invoice number, supplier name, description of item, PO number, quantity, etc. If the material is having QR code or barcode, they scan it so that these data are automatically fed into the computer. After this, the store person is giving a traceability number. This material after unloading is placed under QC inspection area. From here, the material cannot be issued. Quality control person will come, pick up the sample as per the sampling plan and check it. record the data. After this, if it is okay, they will put the QC OK stamp. Once QC OK stamp is put, store person will put into the other area from where it can be issued to the production for further usage. Continuing from the previous slide, let us assume that the company which received the material ABC is a car AC manufacturing company and its name is S. The material ABC is nothing but suction filter of car AC. In other words, we can say that 600 pieces of suction filter of car ACs were received by company S from XYZ. Sampling inspection of the filters have been done by QC and found okay. The material accordingly has been shifted to a place from where the stores can issue the material to the production. The traceability number of suction filter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 1st of June, the store issues 100 pieces of filter to production on their request. The production will first note down the traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in their record. Please remember, if the production is using two traceability number of the same component on one day, then both the traceability numbers are required to be recorded. Now, as per the design, one suction filter is required with one AC. And the production makes 95 ACs on 1st of June. This is the car AC and the production puts the date of manufacturing as 1st of June 2023 like this. After making 95 pieces, production shift all the 95 pieces to finished goods. Now in this condition, 5 pieces of filter are available on the shop floor. Traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 95 pieces of car AC having date 1/6/2023 are available in finished goods with filter having traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on 3rd of June, the customer desired 85 pieces and those were supplied to the customers. After 85 pieces of AC were supplied, the situation is that 10 ACs are available in FG having suction filter traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 bare filters are available on the shop floor with traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 500 suction filters are available in stores having the same traceability number, and most importantly, 85 ACs have been supplied to customer having suction filter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is important. Let us see how the traceability comes into picture when there is a customer complaint and how it is advantageous. In previous slide, we have seen that supplier S has supplied 85 car ACs to car manufacturer M on 3rd of June. These car ACs were having suction filters having traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose manufacturer M produces the cars fitted with these ACs on 3rd June itself. Now one car is sold to a customer on 15th of June. Now there is a customer complaint. It was complained by customer to car dealer that the AC of the car he purchased few days back is not functioning properly. The dealer will complain to car manufacturer accordingly. The car manufacturer may ask the AC at his factory or may depute one engineer to the dealer's end and check and find that suction filter in AC is faulty. Now, if the problem is not genuine, that means the damage is due to mishandling at customer's end. Then the matter will be discussed with marketing team and decision will be taken if the suction filter is to be supplied free of cost or on cost. The company may replace the filter free of cost despite not being at fault as a goodwill gesture. Now, if the problem is genuine, then the manufacturer will inform to supplier S immediately that the AC having a manufacturing date 1st of June is having suction filter problem. Assuming that no car AC was manufactured by supplier S using the suction filter traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we can recall that 10 ACs were available in FG, 5 suction filters were available on shop floor, and 500 suction filters were available on stores, all having traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The supplier will immediately put all these filters and 10 ACs on hold. After that, the supplier will immediately inform the manufacturer of those suction filter XYZ also. Suppliers shall also inform immediately manufacturer M that he has supplied 85 ACs on 3rd. All are having the same traceability number. That means all are doubtful. Accordingly, manufacturer M will see how many serial number or what are the serial numbers of cars they have produced with those traceability number and put everybody on alert so that these AC can be replaced with good ACs. The supplier shall also ensure that there is no shortage of ACs at the manufacturer end, and if required, they will be making the ACs with some other lot and supplying it to the manufacturer. After that, a team comprising of the supplier XYZ and supplier S and M if need be will be formed to see the root cause and find out the solution. So this is the advantage of traceability number. The manufacturer M was able to locate as to which all serial numbers he has produced which are having doubtful ACs. The company XYZ is also knowing that okay, this was the lot which was doubtful when he produced, what were the process parameters and everything. Of course, it will become very easy for the supplier XYZ also to analyze. It will become very easy for supplier S also to segregate the doubtful lot having traceability number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so that he can use the other lots. So this is the advantage of traceability number, to focus on the problems and take action quickly. Few more advantages we can see. Green one in food and the blue one in auto sector. As we see, the tracking and monitoring of the components throughout the production process is easy in the auto sector. We know that okay, this traceability number is now at this stage, this is at this stage, this is at this stage. Now this has gone to the supplier, now there is a production process there. So everywhere we can trace the material through its traceability number. Then if there is a problem, then we can segregate the parts supplier wise, lot wise accurately if needed. As we have seen in the previous slide, we have been able to segregate the suction filter supplied by supplier XYZ very easily. Then quickly identify as to which part from which supplier has been used in which vehicle. So manufacturer M was able to find out, okay, these many 85 pieces have come from supplier S, and these are the serial numbers we have produced on this date and are having the doubtful AC. So we can easily identify them and replace the faulty ACs. Then easier to correlate component parameter and performance of the product made out of it. So for example, we have traceability number 1, and we know the quality parameters also. We know the end product results also. Then we have the parameter of component received through traceability number 2, and we are producing the final component with that. We can correlate the quality parameters observed and the performance of the product. So this is advantage in the auto sector. In the food, again, companies can quickly respond to potential contamination, air contamination or other quality issues. This is very important, very, very important. This food is directly related to the human health. Then in many countries and for many food items, traceability is a legal requirement. For particular these items, you have to have traceability, otherwise you cannot sell it in the market. Then can know if the gradients of an item are certified source, because you are writing everything there. So you will know that, okay, this ingredient is from which source. And finally, of course, when the traceability number is there, then it will enhance the productivity, product safety, and also the customer confidence. So friends, this was the end of presentation on traceability. Hope you have liked it. I shall be back with my next presentation shortly. Those who have not subscribed my channel may please do so to have the fast access on the presentations I am making. Thank you.